Shut up. Shut up now. Okay?
Are you
Knock
tired of
this out.
looking
Keep
everywhere
quiet.
to try to get your
Boy, I
best
said keep
stock
quiet.
options? You know what
Keep
I'm
quiet.
saying? Trades,
And
your
get your
stock
books out.
picks, your calls, your
Okay?
puts. You tired of looking at
Let's
dudes like
learn
this?
about the stock market, baby.
Come on, man. Hey, well, let me introduce you to
Quenisha.
Tiblio, baby. Okay? Tiblio. All right. They give you calls. They give you puts, naked calls, call spreads. Okay? They give you everything else that you need in the options trading game, baby. I use it, okay? It gives me a leverage in my game for the stop options. This video is not sponsored by no Tiblio. I don't work for Tiblio fool, okay? I'm just letting you know what I'm doing and if it might be valuable for you. So if you're in the options trading game, baby, you're in the stock market, you're getting them trades on your puts, and your puts ain't looking too good, your trades is getting played, go ahead and look at Tiblio, baby. Okay, they give you all kind of spreads to help you leverage your game plan in the game. And remember, be blessed to invest in yourself, get you some knowledge and some leverage in the stock market game, baby. All right. Welcome to the Money Talk Show TV, baby. I am your host with the most, baby, the money coach, baby. I am the motivator. I am the educator, baby. I am the options trader, baby. Okay, today's video is about Tiblio, baby. Tiblio options trader. Okay, Tiblio's the new thing I'm using. It helps you out with trading options. You know, trying to get into the options trade, trying to be a professional options trader. So I'm using Tiblio, like $20 a month. They give you plays on your options, baby. Calls, puts, all kind of stuff. Let's go ahead and dig into it, okay? All right. Now you see Tiblio sitting right here. You got over here, you got your dashboard right here. It looks like they're trying to get a new brokerage thing going on, where you might be able to buy and sell options through them. I'm gonna do some more research on that and let you know. But right now, what I use in Tiblio for is the options screeners, baby, okay? And you go to the option screeners, okay? You got the short call spreads right here. All right, give you an example what that looks like. All right, you got Apple, you know, give you all kind of little spreads, you know, where you buy and sell, okay, with the calls. Shorts credit, baby. All right, they even got some short puts for you, baby. Get your puts on, okay? Get your puts to shuts. All right, you got all kind of stuff right here, baby. Okay, you got your loan calls, right? You get your loan calls, okay? Now what I look at is right here. It's the interest, okay? When I see real high interest, like this one right here, you know, compared to 268, you know, versus 704, 7,404, that's a big difference, baby, okay? So you will look up this ticker symbol right here, and you will look it up. Do your research, baby. See if it's something that you might be willing to get into, baby, okay? I even did one a day, okay? Did one a day hitting on them. All right, with a call option on this one right here on clove, baby. All right, hit a clove up, okay? With Tiblio. Tiblio told me hit clove up, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, boy got that the virus vaccination now too, you know what I'm saying? First shot. So if you don't see me, no more videos, you know. But I'm out there. But I got that clove call, okay, baby. So hit that clove call, bam. Oh, and look at that thing. Oh, start shooting. Shooting all the way up. All the way up. Look at that thing. Went to 10 and some change, baby. From Tiblio. I wouldn't know nothing about this, about clove, until Tiblio. I knew about clove way before, but I never invested in it too, you know what I'm saying? I just seen it, you know, looked at it, you know. But hey, you know, and that call option got me nice little percentage today on Robinhood. Got in, got out. Okay. You get in, you get out. When that thing start running up here, you get out. See my little sales signal right there? Okay, you get out. And then maybe back right down here, you might get in again and ride the wave, baby. Rinse and repeat, baby. Okay, that's what you call rinse and repeat. Rinse it and repeat it again and again. Okay, all right. Okay, now thanks to Tiblio, you see on my clove, my CLOV call option that I placed a $30 call option today on Friday. You know what I'm saying? Expires 5/21. I'm up a decent amount. You know what I'm saying? I didn't catch it at the very beginning. I caught it, you know what I'm saying, somewhere right around in here. I was a little sleepy today, you know what I'm saying? Allergy season is in here, so taking medicines got me a little drowsy. So I was a little out, you know what I'm saying? Dropped the ball on that. Should have been on point. But I still caught it. You know what I'm saying? Still be able to catch a nice little game right here. All right. And that's all from Tiblio. Me waking up, didn't do no research on the company too much before. I checked it out, looked at the charts, like the charts, bam, placed the call. Thanks to Tiblio, baby. All right. That's it. Introduction to Tiblio. Okay. Put a little call option on it. On Clove. Thanks to Tiblio. The link is in the description. If you use my link below, you'll get like 10-20% off or something or whatever on your first month's subscription. If you're an option trader, you into the stock market doing some options, go ahead and invest in yourself and go ahead and get you some Tiblio, baby. So that help you out with some call options, baby. All right. Be blessed to invest in yourself. I'm out. Please, if you like any of this content that I provided for you, it took a long time to create these videos, please check out any of my other videos over here. Got one down here and one up there. I like this one up here. You gotta really check that one out. I like that one. That was good. That one, yeah. Keep investing.